Okay, not one, but two Ferrari F40s here today, and my word, do they look absolutely incredible. I think for me, it's all about the red. So I always get a little bit funny about filming the same video over and over again. So I think Bicester Heritage is an event that I really enjoy, and I come here probably twice, 3 times a year, but I've made a video on it twice, 3 times every year, so I'm not entirely sure what else I can show you guys other than kind of the same stuff. So I'm going to kind of just run through a reel and show you some classic cars, some historic cars. I'm going to try and mix it. I'm going to stay away from a lot of the Abarth stuff today, just because the last few times I've really focused on Abarth, so I'm going to try and just get a lot more cool cars in the mix that aren't necessarily Abarth. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now. Enjoy what's about to come. I'll catch up with you in a minute. Okay, not one, but two Ferrari F40s here today, and my word, do they look absolutely incredible. I think for me, it's all about the red one. If you're gonna have a Ferrari, it's gotta be red. But how good is this weather here? I mean, let me pick you up and come along with me. I mean, the weather today is absolutely bonkers. I'm gonna turn around because of the sun, but absolutely amazing. Normally these kind of events you end up with, you know, a decent attendance, but today, because of it being the first kind of real one of the spring, it's immense. I mean, you can see behind me, look how many cars. Too many to count. There's too many for me to show you, but obviously I've got loads of videos on this specific event, so if you want to watch more of that, I'll leave a card up here for you to watch it. But let's see what else is going on, because there is so much that you need to see. Of course, obviously you've got the Abarth crew here. Loads of us turn up, which is a good turnout. Standing by the Black Thunder, massive power, super fast. Seriously cool. What a day! Unbelievable. We got Jen and Andy's 695 here, looking good. What else can you got? Jen and Andy chilling as you do, living the dream.
Always. Hi, Stef.
Always, very well.
Good.
Loads of us have turned up. I'm going to do like feels like that F1 pit walk. All right, mate.
All right.
So the Porsches are here in numbers, and it's no surprise. Obviously, this is mainly driven by the Porsche Owners Club, this event, and flipping out. I mean, look at that. Absolutely unreal. Oh my god, I just realised it's like a full-on Fiat 500 section. How cool is this? Look at these. Absolutely stunning examples. Try not to trip on this kid's head. Look at that. Look how cool. These all look. Oh, I mean, that one's got the picnic basket as well, but How nice do these cars look, especially when they're maintained properly. Head over here to Team Lotus because we've got loads of Lotus cars here as well. I just can't get over the amount of people that have turned up, but then the weather is amazing, so of course people are going to turn. That's a bit of a stupid question, but look at these Lotuses. Got a love for the Exige, looking good. And obviously guys, if you haven't seen the video, I drove one of these and my word was it impressive, but that colour, that V6 Cup as well, looks unreal. Oh, check the Elise S Cup in the, it's like a liquid yellow. How beautiful does that look? Oh, but I mean, look at this, guys. What a lineup. This is so cool. These are just a bundle of laughs, and I love this car. These cars just make me happy, just looking at them. I mean, look at that. Iconic Fiat 500s, where it all started, from this car. Check the driver of this car. Oh my word, ledge. Now, obviously, we've got the Ford section, but I mean, look at this RS 500 Cosy. This is so mint. Absolutely mint. It's difficult to find some really good examples of these nowadays, but wow, does that look good. And obviously got the Esky here, Escort RS Cosworth, Escort Cosworth, unbelievable. The whale tail, the iconic whale tail on this car looks amazing. Mark 1 Focus RS, I love this car. This was on my list of bucket list of cars that I really wanted to own. Since then we've got the Mark 2 and Mark 3s out, and I really like the Mark 3, but this is still one of my favourite RSs. I was just talking about Focus RS Mark 3s, and there you go. I think if you are going to get one of these, it has to be in this colour. This blue colour looks absolutely unreal. I mean, colour matching Brembos, but yeah, it's just mad. And the fact that it's four-wheel drive, again, there's been a lot of questions whether or not you actually need this to be four-wheel drive, but I think it's amazing. Proper mean bit of kit, this. Yeah, I'm just going to leave this here. Sick. Oh yes. Oh, that E30 slammed vert looks sick. Look at that leather. That black and cream leather mix looks nice, man. These things here, if you can find yourself an E30 Rally, they go for a hell of a load of money. So the E30 M3 with the wide kit, but that looks really cool. I'm liking that. What about a bit of rotary? What about a bit of rotary? We all remember where that thing became famous, don't we? It was that one race in Fast and Furious 1 where Toretto with the red one of these just annihilated the Eclipse. But rotary engine. But then rotary engines not really reliable, and that's probably why they're the only brand that's ever really gone down the route of rotary. But RX-7 still sick. There is literally Porsches for days. Everywhere you look, there are Porsches absolutely everywhere, but they look so sick. I mean, look behind me. Yeah, this guy has just won in life. GT3 RS, killing it. Absolutely sick. Oh, and the orange looks amazeballs. And the yellow calipers also look equally as good. Yeah, Chris, if you're watching this, I know you want to get one of these, buddy, so pull the trigger, buy a GT3 RS, has to be done. And then obviously we've got the Vantages. These cars are just amazing. I really like these. I like the V8s, but the V12 Vantage for me is probably one of the ultimate Astons out there at the moment. I think it's just incredible. Good collection too. Vantage S here, older Vantage, DB9. Yeah, very good collection. You know, one of the things that I always sit down and think, I made a real big bitch and moan about not being able to get to Monaco top marks this year, but actually when you get weather like this, the UK can be just as good. And I mean, car events like this just top it for me. And this is what it's all about, the whole car scene. You know, you've got a load of enthusiasts all come down to one place to display their cars, you know, talk about cars, petrol, engines, everything that comes with it, and that's just special. I still want to go to Monaco top marks, so don't get me twisted, you know, going up to the casino and seeing all these supercars everywhere, and the weather around the southern part of France is just something I really want to do, but it kind of puts it a bit more into perspective for me. So yeah, gutted I didn't go Monaco top marks, but at the same time, super happy I've come here today. So yeah, I think that kind of wraps it up. It's been a bit of a vloggy format today with not too much cinematic stuff. There's loads more videos on this event. If you want to watch them, check over to the channel. Make sure if you're not already following me on Instagram, hit me up over here. Make sure to follow me. Loads of pre-YouTube stuff happens over here, so make sure you get involved. And also, if you're not already part of the family, make sure to hit subscribe. Do it now. Go on. Do it now, yeah. Make sure to hit subscribe for many more videos to come. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you all very soon. See you later. Bye-bye.